Driving right now to take a look at a Ford Escape. Guy wants $8,000 for it, and I'm gonna haggle with him a little bit, but it looks kind of like the vehicle I want. The Ford Escape confirmed that it would make a great travel vehicle. It had four-wheel drive, which would be important on my adventure, and enough space for my 6'2" frame to sleep in the vehicle. After buying the car for $6,500, I selected materials for the build-out. Overall, I spent less than $120 on the initial purchase of lumber, carpeting, hinges, and other hardware. Next, I removed the back seats from the car. I also removed the plastic platform in the trunk, which gave me an additional 3 to 6 inches of space, as well as access to bolt posts, which I could secure my sleeping platform to. A few quick measurements later, we started building the platform frame out of 2x4s. Then, we secured the frame to the Escape, elevating it 8 inches in the rear of the vehicle. With the frame now in place, I began cutting 1/2-inch plywood for the top of the platform. These were carpeted and put in place with hinges. There are a total of 4 hatches for storage, and the platform is just over 5 feet in length. The front hatches have additional flaps that can be extended to make the platform a full 6 feet in length for sleeping. The platform now fully completed, I was ready to hit the road. There are a few things I added to the car to make it useful for living out of. First, I made a few foam sections to sleep on which can be placed after extending the front flaps. I also added a countertop, which can be extended and used as a cooking platform. Finally, I have a DC-powered cooler which runs off an external power pack. The power pack is charged by solar or by the DC plug in the vehicle. Life in the car has its perks and challenges. Obviously, it's a very inexpensive way to travel the country versus staying in hotels. The car has plenty of space and is generally quite comfortable. Some nights it can get a little cold in the car, and packing light is important as there's only so much storage in the vehicle. Overall though, the build-out was a big success and has helped me travel to some very amazing places.